Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the exact enclosure and layout. Pick an 18 to 20-inch tall glass vivarium with front access to minimize disturbance. Next, assemble materials: gravel or leca for drainage, a barrier sheet, and a 3 to 4-inch bioactive substrate blend for plant roots and frog comfort. While you work, install low-wattage LED and a hidden thermostat probe. Temperature stability matters. Once done, organize plants and hardscape nearby so you can install without stretching or contaminating the substrate. You now build the functional layers. Start by adding 1 to 2 inches of drainage media, press a 1/2-inch barrier sheet, then add 3 to 4 inches of mixed soil, peat, and sand for a stable bioactive base. Once layered, place driftwood and rocks to create climbing routes and shaded retreats. Make sure heavier pieces sit on substrate, not glass, to avoid stress points. Then plant epiphytes, ground cover, and moss to create humidity pockets and microclimates. This encourages natural foraging and reduces stress for the frogs. You finish by cycling the vivarium for 2 to 4 weeks and monitoring conditions. Maintain 72 to 78 degrees F and relative humidity above 80%, and watch for stable microfauna populations. Introduce a cleanup crew, springtails and isopods, before any frogs arrive to manage waste and mold. Once stable, quarantine your dart frogs for 2 to 4 weeks to confirm health, and then acclimate them slowly to the vivarium. If mold or low humidity appears, reduce watering, increase ventilation briefly, and add more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.